In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add negative markings in Google Forms. The process might seem a bit complex at first, but with a little guidance, you'll find it quite manageable. So, let's take a deep dive into it. First things first, you'll want to open Google Forms on your browser and start a new form or select an existing one that you wish to modify. If you're starting a fresh form, give it a meaningful title that reflects your topic or purpose. This way, anyone responding to your form knows exactly what to expect. From here, you can start adding questions. Now, in Google Forms, each question type, be it multiple choice, short answer, or checkbox, can be customized to suit your needs. To incorporate negative markings, we're going to utilize the quiz feature. Head over to the settings icon situated at the top right corner of your screen. As the settings menu opens, you'll see various tabs. Select the Quizzes tab. Toggle on the Make This a Quiz option. This feature transforms your form into a quiz format, allowing you to assign point values to each question, including negative values for incorrect responses. With this feature enabled, return to your questions. You'll notice an answer key option appearing under each item. Click on it, and you'll have the ability to assign point values to your answers. This is where you can introduce negative markings. Allocate a positive point for the correct answers, but for incorrect ones, specify a negative point value. Negative marking can be a useful tool in testing scenarios to encourage more accurate answers from participants. Now, it's important to think strategically about where to place these negative markings in your quiz. Consider the difficulty level of each question and the overall learning objectives. For example, for more straightforward questions, you might opt to use neutral or low-value negative scores, whereas more challenging questions could have higher negative values to reflect their complexity. Remember, you can always preview your form or send a test response to ensure that everything functions as expected. Simply click the eye-shaped preview button at the top to see exactly what your participants will experience. Once you're satisfied with how your form and questions are set up, complete the process by sharing the form with your intended audience. You can do so easily by hitting the Send button and choosing how you'd like to distribute your form, whether by email, a link, or embedding it into a web page. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add negative markings to enhance your Google Forms quiz. Experiment with different setups to see what works best for your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tutorials.